One, as you can tell by the sweat of my brow, that I've done some work out here today. You know, I had some comments. Brian, Flower Street Flower Street Farms. So this is exactly what I wanted to do, and it turned out to be a perfect day to do it. Is I've reduced these colonies down, like this one on the end that was really tall, if you remember, and so I robbed their extra supers off, and now my one framers, or my single 10 frame boxes now have extra food on them. So all my single deeps are now at least a single with a brood chamber, or with an extra on it. Even over here, the nuke boxes, I'm sorry, these 10 framers here now have, they're getting a little pissy with me, but now they've got some feed on them, some emergency honey. So I didn't harvest any of that, obviously. I just redistributed it, which is, so my thought process when I started that was, let my strong colony build up a bunch of stores, right? And then when they start downsizing for the winter, I would just rob them and put it on the other colonies, which is exactly what I did. So now they should all have adequate to make it through our cold snap to the spring. And now they also have plenty of room to start brooding up and growing into their box. I won't touch them again from that aspect. I won't touch them again from like adding stores or anything until it's time to start doing splits and rechecking them. So right now, just gonna leave them. Everything I do from here out will be on the outside, right? So like maybe open feed, which I really don't think they need right now, or possibly you know, pollen sub on the outside, which they are taking right now, so a little bit. So at any rate, guys, thanks for watching once again, and appreciate all the likes, shares, and subscribes, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thanks.